This was Bella's blanket. When I first got her, she attached herself to it. But the problem was she was chewing on it and eating the fabric, so I had to put it away. And I came across it today, and she is just so happy to see it. She's been loving on it and just rolling around on it and everything. It's just been so cute. I love it. I love it. I love that she still remembers it. I think a lot of times people think that cats don't have feelings, but they really do. I mean, this is just so wonderful to see. She loves it. She's purring. It's of course this is all her other stuff, but she absolutely loves this thing. She'll roll up in it, and it's just wonderful. Okay, yeah, let's lick your butt. Ah, poor kitty. And that's like a nervous response. I've noticed that sometimes she does that when she's nervous. But look at that. She is just enjoying this. I wish I could have had my phone with me where she was rolling over in it. That was so cute. Maybe she'll do it again. She was holding it. Oh, she's so sweet. Well, maybe she'll just take a nap. I was going through a closet. I have to reorganize it and get rid of some things. And she was in there trying to get to something, and it was this blanket. I forgot that it was in there, and that's what she was after, was this blanket. Oh, look at that. She's so sweet. I think she's going to love it and just take a nap on it. Oh. It's just like a baby having its blankie, you know. It's something that they cherish and love. And look at her. Oh. Oh. I think she's happy. I think that's contentment. I really do. I think she's content on there. Oh, I'm so glad I found it, and now she can enjoy it again. Oh, that makes me feel good. I'm so glad I didn't get rid of it. It's full of holes because when she was a kitten, she chewed on it, and she chewed it so badly. There's about a 2-foot section that's gone. I had to throw it away because it was big holes, and I didn't even know she was doing it. When I realized she was chewing holes in it, I don't know what happened to the fabric. I think she ate it. So I didn't want her to have any issues. But she's pretty good now. If I tell her no chewing, she won't. She'll stop. This just makes me so happy. And she's obviously content.